Learn how to export your video in Filmora X in a few simple steps. To export a video in Filmora X, the first important step is to save your project. This ensures that your work is secure and can be reopened later if needed. To do this, click on the File tab located at the top left corner of the screen, then select Save Project. After saving the project, you can proceed by clicking on the Export button. Once you click Export, a pop-up window will appear where you can enter a name for your video file. Just below that, you can choose the location on your computer where you want the exported video to be saved. Next, you will notice a Settings button in the Export window. Clicking this will allow you to select your desired video quality. You can choose between best, better, or good based on your needs. Although there are advanced settings available, like bitrate, frame rate, resolution, etc., beginners are usually not recommended to adjust them unless necessary. After configuring these options, click OK to confirm the settings. In the Export pop-up, you will also see a variety of video and audio formats that you can choose from. These include MP4, which is widely used and compatible with most devices and platforms; WMV, which is suitable for Windows-based platforms; HEVC, high-efficiency video coding, which compresses video at high quality and lower file size; AVI, which is an older format but still used in some editing workflows; MOV, which is Apple's format commonly used in macOS; F4V and FLV, which are Adobe Flash formats; MKV, a flexible format that supports subtitles and multiple audio tracks; TS, used mainly for broadcasting purposes; 3GP, suitable for older mobile devices; MPEG-2, used in DVDs; WEBM, often used for online streaming; GIF, for short animations without sound; and MP3, if you only want to export the audio from your project. After selecting your desired format and settings, hit the Export button. Filmora will then begin rendering the video, and once the process is complete, it will notify you. You can then open the folder containing the file or directly play the video to review the final result.